Hello everyone, this is Ritik Lincoln speaking on behalf of my team Vanguard. Today I will briefly introduce our project NestQuest. What is NestQuest actually? Buying property today often involves unclear pricing, fake listing, legal uncertainty, and lack of reliable area information. Many buyers and sellers struggle to verify documents and determine fair market values. NestQuest is a smart property marketplace designed to make buying and selling safer, more transparent, and more efficient. Our platform provides verified listings, encrypted document storage, AI-based price estimation, an interactive smart map with risk layers, fraud detection alerts, and advisor or loyal booking support. In short, NestQuest reduces risks, increases transparency, and saves time for both buyers and sellers. And now I will demonstrate our Figma prototype presentation from the user's end. This is our landing page, and after creating an account using the following information and an ID card information, the user should see an interface like this, and after this, the user should be able to log in to the page. And this is the home UI. In the buying section, the user simply can browse properties. Not only this, but also the user can filter the location as well as the property type. The user can select the price range as well. And, af- and after this, the user can also sort by price from high to low or low to high. Suppose the user has chosen this. In here, you can see there is an estimation, AI price estimation, where the user can also see the map where the hospital, fire station, police distance from the property. If the user wants to buy property as an individual, then he or she should press this button. And after this, the user has to select a lawyer because the property fraud and fake ownership documents are common issues. The lawyer module adds a professional verification layer, and this is the payment method. You can also pay through the lawyer, and this is the proceed to payment option. And after this, you should see, or the user should see, a page like this. If the user wants to buy property as a group, then the user should buy press this buy as a group button. And after this, the website should take to a page like this. Suppose the user has chosen Dhaka Property Investor Group. In here, the user simply can communicate with the group. This is the group member chat feature. Coming to the sell post, if the user wants to sell any property, the user should upload any appropriate images. And after filling out the property details, the user should upload a legal document. And after submitting to admin for approval, the user should see an interface like this. Okay, now going to the smart map. This is the smart map where the user can see all the necessary information, such as if the user chooses property 2, the user should see all the price estimation here, such as risk assessment, AI price detection, distance from location, etc. This is the lawyer. There are a lot of lawyer in here. According to your preference and rating, you can choose any lawyer. Suppose the user choose this. You can simply see all the necessary information about the lawyer and you can request an appointment, and this is the preferred date. Suppose this is the purpose of consultation and others. You can simply put others information in here. Then after this, you can simply press submit for approval. Going to the advisor module support user in pricing, negotiation and document making, decision making. If you want to hire Dr. Karim Ahmed as your personal advisor, you can simply press this and you can see the about information and the ratings in here. This is the hire advisor. If you want to hire, then simply press this. And finally, the group buying. As we have mentioned in earlier, this is the same. These are all the saved properties information that the user previously selected. This is all the chat information where the user can communicate with the advisor as well as the lawyer. And after going to the home page, you can simply see that this notification button informs you. This is the about information where the user will able to see all the transaction history he or she has made previously. This is all the quick action, and this is the bank information. You can also update your bank information if you want. Okay, after updating bank information, all right, save bank details now. Bank details has updated successfully. If the user wants to update their profile, they can simply update their profile by filling out the following information according to their NID card, of course, and simply press changes. And this is more or less about the user's part. This is the admin login page where the admin can simply sign in. And this is the admin dashboard. And this is the by request admin. In here, the admin can review and manage properties. This is the cancel request where the admin can see the details of the cancellation or the approval. Okay, coming to the buying process, this is the buying process option where the admin can see the details as well. And if the admin wants, the admin can stop the buying process. This is the seller post. The admin can see the details of the seller post. The admin either can approve or he or she either can reject the post. This is the user part where the admin can see all the user information, such as this. Now, the report part. This is a comprehensive insight where the admin can see the overall performance. And this is the admin about information and so on. And now I will walk through the advisor part. After successfully entering the email address and password, the advisor should see a page like this. This is the dashboard and this is the client where the advisor can see all his clients. The advisor can see the details as well as text them if they want. This is the request where the common user will send a request to the advisor. The advisor can accept their request or they can reject their request. This is the message part where we have seen earlier the advisor can directly communicate with the user, such as this. And finally, the most important part is the property. The advisor can see all the recent activities regarding the property so that they can counsel the common user. This is the recent incident report regarding the apartment where there has been a leakage incident, power outage, road accident incident, and so on. Based on this report, the advisor will consult the buyer. And this is the about information of the advisor. This is the chat feature. In this session, I will briefly articulate the loyal part. After following the same manual as user, the loyal should be able to create an account similar to the user. This is the loyal interface where the lawyer can see the appointment of the current date. The lawyer can simply press mark as complete if the task is done. This is the active buying process where the lawyer simply can monitor and manage the ongoing transaction. This is the complete transaction where the lawyer can see the previously completed transaction. Coming to the appointment request, this is all the requests that the lawyer has received. The lawyer simply can reject or accept. And in the document verification queue, the lawyer can review and manage the ongoing transaction of the property. And this is the schedule of the lawyer where he can arrange his ongoing status. And this is the about information of the lawyer. And now I will give you a very short tour of our mobile UI. This is the user account. After filling out the appropriate information, the user should able to create their account and then log in again. Now this is the user UI design. This is the landing page where the user will able to see the navbar. This is the filter option. This is the sort by option. And this is the detail option. This is buy now. And after selecting a lawyer and payment method. After proceeding to payment, the user should see an interface like this in the mobile. About the group buying, this is the UI. After selecting a investor, the user should see a page like this. Going to the selling option, this is the appropriate information. After filling out the information, the user should good to go in order to sell his properties. This is submit to admin. This is the smart map which we have shown in the desktop, and here this is the AI price estimation, risk assessment, distance from location, and so on. This is the loyal part where the lawyer can be hired
to the mobile as well. This is book now, and after pressing this, you may request for an appointment using the preferred date and purpose. And finally, this is our advisor. In here, you can hire any advisor if you want. This is the UI design for the advisor page. Now this is the hire option and so on. And group buying, which we have previously showed you. This is the UI design. Going to the profile, the user can update their profile, update their bank information, and log out. This is the quick actions. Suppose this is the sell post responses. These are all the responses that the user received. The user can also see messages from the inbox. And this is the wish list which the user has saved previously. And finally, the logout button. Now I will show the loyal part. After successfully signing to the lawyer, this is the interface for the lawyer, where the lawyer name is Ryan Ahmed, and these are all the quick actions. This is today's appointment. These are the request parts. Mark as complete or undone. This is buying process. This is buying the process. This is the view details. This is for the verification of the document. The lawyer simply can review the documents as well. Verify or view. This is the transaction part, where the lawyer can see the details as well. And finally, the schedule of the lawyer. The lawyer can update their schedules. This is the about information of the lawyer. Coming back to the advisor simply can log in, and this is the advisor portal, where the advisor can see his client, see the details of the client, or even text them. This is all the request client he has received. The lawyer can simply accept or reject their request. Now coming to the messages, these are all the messages that the advisor has received. And this is the advisor profile. Finally, coming back to the admin can simply log in the same way, and this is the admin dashboard. In the dashboard, the admin can manage buy request, cancel request, such as buy request, and these are all the requests The admin can view, approve, or even deny. Suppose the request is denied. If the admin wants, the admin can simply approve the request as well. Going to the cancel request, the admin can see all the responses that he got. This is the buying process. This is the sell post. The admin can again view, approve, or reject. Suppose view, this is the view section, can reject as well. And the admin can see the user as well with details, of course. And this is all the reports the admin can get. This is the overall page, and this is overall the mobile UI design. Thank you.
And now I will briefly walk through our SRS structure. Our document is organized into 11 structure chapters following standard SRS documentation format. Chapter 1 introduces the purpose and the scope of the system, clearly defining the objective of NestQuest. Chapter 2 provides the overall system overview, including product perspective, product functions, user classes, operating environment, and the SDLC approaches we have followed. Chapter 3 focuses on requirement elicitation and analysis. Here we conducted benchmark analysis, requirement analysis, surveys, gap analysis, and finalized our feature list. This ensures that the system is built on real user needs. Chapter 4 defines the detailed functional requirement. This includes modules such as user authentication, property listing management, documentation, verification, AI-based price estimation, smart map integration, lawyer assistant, group buying, messaging, fraud detection, and the admin dashboard. Chapter 5 describes external and non-functional requirements including user interfaces, software interfaces, performance constraint, and security measurement. Chapter 6 covers feasibility and SWOT analysis to evaluate project practically. Chapter 7 presents system modeling using DFT, class diagrams, use case diagram, and final sequence diagram. This is our DFT diagram, and this is our class diagram. This is the use case diagram, and this is finally the sequence diagram. In Chapter 8, we have demonstrated the desktop and mobile UI design. This is our desktop design. This is our mobile UI design. And finally, Chapter 9 to 11, we have included conclusion, references, appendices, including glossary and design artifacts. Overall, the SRS ensures that our system is technically structured, secure, feasible, and ready for implementation.